There is a login section for this person. When you want to log out, you click on log, you click on this section, you can log out, or you move straight to your dashboard, which will take you to your dashboard. Here is where you can edit. If you want to edit your details here, you click on edit to move you to where you can edit your details. You can see here is a section where you can upload. After which you are finished, you are uploading an edition of your details, you can finally submit here. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll be taking you in the next session on how to upload your passport and how you can be able to take your test without any difficulty or challenge facing you.